You are welcome once again to our YouTube channel, where we teach you about leadership and ways how you can improve yourself and how you can also invest your money and make money. Today we want to be looking at a particular platform where you can learn anything for free and get certificates. A platform where you can learn anything for free and get certificate for it. And in this platform you can improve your skills and enhance yourself, even your place of work, to increase your pay, or as a CEO you can also help yourself with these skills so that you can increase your performance in your company. We'll be looking at edu.gcf global. Edu, you can see my mouse, edu.gcfglobal.org. This is a website or a platform that can help you to create opportunity for a better life. In this platform, as you are seeing it from my screen, you can learn a whole lot. Even if you don't know anything at all, they will teach you from the basics of computer, how to learn Microsoft Word, how to apply for a job, how to improve your skill, how to design a nice looking document. You can learn basic skills in computer as well, smartphone and tablet. You can also learn internet skills, internet, online safety, social media, email. You can also learn how to plan a career planning, resume writing, cover letter, job search and networking. Some people have been looking for a job for a very long time. This platform will teach you job search and networking. It also teach you business communication and many more from these very websites. And this platform can teach you how to do programming, basic HTML. It can teach you how to improve your skill, your Word, Excel and PowerPoint skill. Okay, let's pick something as a case study. Take for instance, I want to learn basic skill, HTML skill. It should take me directly. See, getting started about HTML, creating a web page, writing HTML, is programming to teach you from the basic to where you need to know. So as a starter, I'm clicking about HTML and it's loading. For next thing is, you may not even log in, you may not even sign in to get started. They have made it so easy. See, they have made it so easy for you to get started. There are some that is in video format, there are some that is in Word format. They will teach you the basic of how to go about it. So let's look at another one. Let's say for instance I need a core skill on anything, maybe mathematics, writing, everyday life, personal life, grammar. This particular platform will teach you how to do that. Also, it can also teach you skills, maybe 3D printing. If you want to know something about 3D printing, this can teach you, and from here you can click on the platform to watch.
For years.
Sorry, I have to mute that because of my YouTube, so that I will not get penalized by YouTube. So it will show you the video on how to go about it. And once you are done with the tutorial, you will be certified. They will give you a certificate that you have completed your course, and this is an international certification. It can help you even in your place of work. They have a frequently asked question that people ask. Once you are through with your course, and funny thing that you can do this course at your own leisure time. You can do it at your own leisure time, and once you are through with it, a PDF format of the certificate will be sent to you, which you can print anywhere you are, and it can be used anywhere in the whole world. So I urge you to go through this platform, look at the areas you need to increase yourself, enhance yourself, and start learning, after which you can get your certificate. Till I come your way next time, continue to increase your capacity to make the world a better place. Thank you.